Let us do 2h question 2. Here we have to factorize, that means to find the factor. So where we can apply identity, we will apply. If not, then we have to take common and split middle term. Here we have x to the power 3. So we may suspect a cubed plus b cubed. Whether we can use that or not, let us split 1 to 5 and 8 to see whether we can express them in the form of cube or not. 1 to 5 ending with 5. So let's try to divide it with 5. So here we have 5 into 2, 5 into 5. Then 5 into 5. So we can express 1 to 5 as 5 to the power 3. Then 8. We can do so 2 into 4, 2 into 2. So here also we can write it as a power cube. So that means we can apply formula. Okay. So in place of 1 to 5, we can write 5x whole to the power 3. Then 8, we can write it as power 2. 1, no problem. We can write as 1 into 1 into 1. So now if you compare with this formula, okay. Here if we put it as A, this one we put it as B. So you see we will get exactly the same. A to the power 3 plus B to the power 3. So how to write the answer? Remember formula A cubed plus B cubed has 3 forms. But look at the question. What does the question want? The question want the factor. So if they want the factor, we have to use the third form. So that means how to write the answer? We will write it this way. We have to use the same formula. Okay. So we have to write it as A plus B whole, A square minus AB plus B square. Whereas here in place of A, we have to replace with 5x. In place of B, we have to replace with 1 by 2. So let's do it. Here our A is 5x. In place of B, we will write 1 by 2. So please learn by heart the formula, okay, or see the trick which I already taught you before. So now we will replace. This is a question part. Let it remain like that. Because we have two numbers, better put them inside bracket so that there will be no confusion. So now how to write A plus B whole inside bracket. So open bracket. In place of A, we put 5x. Plus will come from the formula. In place of B, we put 1 by 2. Then we close the bracket. So we have to move on to the next part of the second bracket. So in the second bracket here, we have A square. What is our A? 5x. So we have to square 5. We also have to square x because they are of the same term. Then what sign we have from formula? Minus. What is your A? We have 5x. What is B? We have 1 by 2. Then what sign? We have plus. Then B square. Okay, so in place of B, we have 1 by 2 whole square. So now what to do? The first part we cannot do anything. That remain as the like that only. Then in the second part, 5 square. 5 is a number we can multiply. 5 into 5, 25 along with x square. Minus 5 into 1, 5 along with x. Then this 2 which is down, we write it down there. Then plus 1 into 1, 1. The 1 which is up, multiply up. The 1 which is down, multiply down. 2 into 2, 4. We cannot plus, we cannot minus anymore. So that remains the answer. Okay. So similarly, please try number 2 yourself. Next, we'll move on to number 3. We have x to the power 3 plus 0.008. So for x, no problem, we have power 3. Then for 8, you already see we have 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. That means we can write it as 2. Because if we multiply it 3 times, we have to put 3 number after decimal. Okay, so now if you compare this, again it will come of that form: a cube plus b cube, because ax become a, 0.2 become b. So that means we can apply the formula a cube plus b cube. Remember, what is the aim of question? It is to find the factorize. So we have to use the third form. The third form, it will be of the form a plus b whole, then a square minus ab, then plus b square. So but here our a is x. In place of b, we have to replace with 0.2. So now the formula, remember, factorize, so we have to use the third form. The answer will come in this form. In place of a, remember, we have to write x, then we have plus sign. In place of b, we can write 0.2. Then close the bracket from the formula, and then we open another bracket. In place of a, we have to write x, power from the formula. Here we have minus sign. A, we have to write x, b, we have to write 0.2. This is multiply, this is decimal. Okay, so don't confuse. Then in place of b, we have to write 0.2 whole to the power 2. So now let us see what we can do. Here we cannot do anything, so let it be like that. Then here x square also we cannot do anything, let it remain. 0, 2 into x, we have alphabet and number, we cannot do anything, let it be like that. Then here we have 0.2. This is a number we can multiply. 2 square, that means 2 into 2 we have 4. But remember, we have decimal. How many number after decimal? Here you have 1, here you have 1. So that means 2. So decimal we have to put after 2 numbers. So here we have 1 number, we need 1 more. We don't have that number, so we have to fill with 0 and put decimal. So it becomes 0.04. Okay. After that, all are unlike term. We cannot plus, we cannot minus. That is the answer.